Hello world, and welcome to another one. We are off on another mission today. Call it Errand Boy Part 6000. This is the true test, the most true test of whether or not I can I don't know what the word for it is, but like ditch my car and do things that I have thrust upon myself within reason on the bike. I think I'm probably going to throw it in the title, so there's no big reveal coming here, but I'm going to a grocery store to get eggs, and they're going on my back. Excuse me. Pardon me. It looks kind of brisk out, but it's like mid 60s, I think. Low 60s. Not too bad. I'm not as layered as I usually am. Damn. Thank you, sir. Didn't have to be that nice. He knows what's up. He knows this is a fun little strip of road. A little bouncy, but we'll be super careful on the way back, of course. I'm wondering, I might try and stick to like all main roads. I don't know, dude. It's gonna be tough. The other thing is, if you've been watching some of my more recent videos, they're doing, it's not road work, it's whatever, the electrical work. I don't know what they're doing. It looks like they're just relining the wires with like a protective covering or something like that, because it's kind of like seamlessly, like they're pulling it along on a pulley on the wires, and then it just like clamps around. I don't know if it's like a weather thing or durability thing, but they've been doing it on my road for several days. I'm kind of curious actually, because it looks like they're doing the same spots multiple times, and you never know when the road work is going to be absolutely atrocious, you know. I don't know where that car went. I swear, maybe it was that car up ahead, the one right in front of me. I thought it was still behind it. That was odd. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Actually, I saw him start to go and then he didn't. Thought he was gonna go. I was ready to stop, but I will say, you know, as a new rider, obviously you need to assume that people are not seeing you. You should ride defensively. And although I'm not riding in New York City like my sensei, Ducati NYC, I agree with him that you need to ride somewhat aggressively and be direct with your movements and actions and you know, your positioning and stuff like that. But I will say, at least where I live, I am pleasantly surprised by how often I'm able to see, if not directly like seeing the driver themselves, a person's car body language where they see that it's a motorcyclist and they do wait, where normally, you know, maybe if it was a car they would have actually decided to cut that person off. You know, just as much as you see people potentially cut you off, you see it. You know, and I try to be pretty good about it. I'll admit right there, I did not have myself positioned well with the car in front of me coming to a stop and turning off the road. I knew he wasn't going to see me, and that's why I got prepared. There's no point in getting mad at the guy. He can't freaking see me. In a way, that's my problem, just as much as it's his, you know? We are potentially going to put it up in moon gear here, though. I don't know why I just like didn't even shift up there. I put the clutch in and then didn't shift. Pulled the clutch out like I lifted my leg up, but I didn't. Come on, Rhode Island. James Bond would jump on that just cause. Nice Porsche, sir. Nice Crosstrek individual. Damn, bro. I don't think I've ever been stopped here this far back on this road. Very strange. I mean, as always, I'm on my break. It's kind of rush hour. Getting to be. Bro, he doesn't even know I'm here. Dog, what is going on with this freaking traffic? I mean, like, so weird. And I seem to just be picking the wrong lane every single time too. I might take a left up here just to get out of this bullshit. Very strange. Tiguan, your blinker's on. She's not even looking at me. Yeah, bro, I'm not digging this, but that motorcyclist's smart. And here I was going this way because I thought, what do you call it? I thought it was going to be no traffic. This is nuts. Burp. Excuse me. I accidentally turned my volume up when I wanted to skip a song, and now it's too loud, and we'll just address it later. We're gonna park way away from everything and everybody because I don't like anybody.